How's it going, everyone? It's Sam. Today we're talking about NIO, and the plan is to get this out on Thursday. So if you're watching this, I've double uploaded. So if you guys don't mind hitting the like button, I really appreciate it. I'm filming this at 11:40. So on Friday is my birthday, so I'm double uploading. I'm trying to get this out real quick. I wasn't planning on this, but NIO has been insane over the last few days. I wanted to hit on it real quick, what's happening with the stock and whether I am personally buying, whether I'm excited about it, and all that good stuff. So thank you for hitting the like button. Also, if you don't mind, I'm not even going to hit 8 minutes, I don't think, with this video. So if you don't mind going down there, and if there are any links that you want to click on, if you want to join our Patreon, that's awesome. We talk about investing. If you want to sign up with WeBull to get some free stocks after you deposit $100, or start with M1 Finance if you've never used them but thought about starting with them, I would really appreciate it. Again, it's my birthday tomorrow, so anything you can do today is awesome. Thank you. So NIO has been insane this week. Just on Wednesday, it was up 15%. If we go over the last 5 days, it's gone from $13.80 up to $20.44. And this is about 50% increase just in a few days. Now, there have been a couple key things that have happened. First of all, they had a very good earnings report, so they were able to increase revenues. They also are talking about something called the BaaS, which is a battery as a service platform. So this is something that is kind of interesting to this company. So they're talking about, instead of buying the battery for these electric vehicles, they are talking about having you possibly pay a monthly subscription. So instead of having to charge up in the very congested area of China, you can just drive in, they'll swap out your battery, charge it when you're gone, and then you have your fresh new battery. So this is an interesting thing that could bring in some reoccurring revenue for the company, and I am pretty excited about that. I think that's kind of an interesting thing that I had never even really thought about, but I'm interested in it now. This might be something that Tesla will think about getting into one day, but it's kind of an interesting model here. And if you don't know what NIO is, I should have hit on this earlier, but it's an electric vehicle maker out of China. So they are growing like crazy, obviously, but they have some exciting new parts of their business that they're introducing, like BaaS. They're also hitting new highs because they're getting a lot more bullish ratings from analysts. So just this week, one of the analysts from Morgan Stanley upgraded NIO to $20.50 price target. Some other companies too have upgraded their price targets too. So as we go down further, UBS analysts upgraded this to a neutral from a sell. A lot of people have been upgrading this over the last few days, which has sent the price up like crazy. They also were able to secure some funding a little while ago, so this is back during the pandemic, but they were able to secure about $1 billion in investments from a state-owned company. So this is something that you get with NIO that you don't necessarily get with Tesla or some of the businesses over here in America. They have the government on their side. So they have connections to the government, and you can read different articles on it, but they are able to secure funding to kind of combat the other car companies that are invading China. So it's interesting to see this take place. And, personally, whether I'm investing or not, I don't see myself investing in NIO. There are several reasons for this, but first of all, there are a lot of great companies to invest in here. I don't feel ever like I need to invest in a stock, but the reason I'm cautious about this one specifically is because it is tied with China. And I'm not trying to be racist. I'm not saying anything like that. I'm not trying to say that they're necessarily doing anything sketchy, but I've heard of people in the past and companies in the past that have manipulated numbers, whether it was from the government's direction or on their own account, but they've manipulated numbers that have affected different investors. So I just personally know how business runs in America. I understand how business works and how companies scale. But with something like this, the government's so different. The stock market is different over there. It's a totally different culture. And I just don't feel comfortable. I don't feel like I know the market well enough over there to make an informed decision on the stock. Now, I could be totally wrong. This could be the best stock in the world over the next decade. They are catering to a very large audience there and a very large customer base. But I am cautious about it just because of the fact that it's not American made. I don't really understand how everything's going to happen over there. So let me know your thoughts on this below. Again, this was just a really short video. I appreciate you guys watching. Again, if you want any of those links, I appreciate it. If you don't mind hitting that like button, and also if you haven't subscribed, but either you like this video, you like the short videos, or you like more drawn out analysis on different stocks, or you want to see what I'm buying each week, or you've seen any of these videos before and got anything from them, please hit that subscribe button. If that's the one nice thing that you do today, that's awesome. I really appreciate it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.